In today's video, I want to talk about the best cold email template that works right now for B2B lead generation companies. We've had a lot of requests for this one. I'm excited to share it with you. Let's jump into it. Before we get going, make sure you subscribe down below and like this video. We'll also give you this email script as a free download if you click down in the description below. Now, some of you might know me as the Cold Email King. Some of you might know me for our past videos on B2B lead generation. Me and Robert Indresh run an agency called X27, where we basically pioneered B2B lead generation for agencies. And in today's video, I want to show you the actual email script that we're using right now to book meetings for our agency. You can use it, get inspiration from it, copy paste it and take it as your own and not give credit back. I don't care. Do it. Who cares? Just make some money with the script that I'm about to show you, please. And let me know about it down in the comments below. With that being said, let's jump into the inbox and I will show you the best cold email script for B2B lead generation this year. So here we are inside the inbox. The inbox, if you don't know, is our premium product where we show all of our working cold emails and all of the back and forths with our team that it took to book a meeting. And super valuable. Do not know why we share this, but we do. And you can grab that down below as well. So here's the email script for B2B lead generation. Keep in mind, not theory. This is actually a meeting that got booked with the back and forths. So let me start by reading the email and then we'll break it down piece by piece. Subject line, call with Nike's VP of Global Brand next week. Hi Jeff, your blog article on the 5 biggest mistakes couples make when wedding planning is really eye-opening and enlightening. It's an explicitly well-written article. Well done. Just wanted to ask if Acme has capacity to handle more incoming leads, and if you're willing to invest in either A, learning how we've generated over 100 million through our outreach strategies, or B, a done-for-you service where we get meetings for you. We've already helped our clients get meetings with Nike, McDonald's, HBO, Jaguar, Marriott, Coca-Cola, FedEx, and literally every other household name you can think of. Please let me know and I can send more details. Thanks, Alex. Strong. And I'll tell you what works. 1, we have an enticing subject line. Call with Nike's VP of Global Brand. The reason why we're able to use that is we did book a meeting for one of our customers with Nike's VP of Global Brand. And that's the power of cold email. You can really get meetings with anyone. Next, we have what we call a custom first line. We have this customization in the beginning. Hey Jeff, your blog article on the 5 biggest mistakes couples make when wedding planning is really eye-opening and enlightening. It's an explicitly well-written article. Well done. And there are a few different ways to get around the custom first line, but in this niche specifically, because this is a very competitive niche, you need that customization to take your email over the top and get people to actually respond because they're getting these emails all day, every day. Cold emails have 3 parts: customization, case study, call to action. So we got the customization. Now we roll into part 2, which is the case study. Just wanted to ask if Acme has capacity to handle more incoming leads, and if you're willing to invest in either A, learning how we've generated over 100 million through our outreach strategies, or B, a done-for-you service where we get meetings for you. So A is a sales training program called Institute of Sales, and B is the done-for-you service via X27. And some people choose A, some people choose B. That's what it is. Then we jump into part 2 of the case study, which is we've already helped our clients get meetings with Nike, McDonald's, HBO, Jaguar, Marriott, Coca-Cola, FedEx, and literally every other household name you can think of. This is part 2 of the case study, which separates us from all the other lead generation companies. And this is what you can do as well in your cold emails. Call out some of the meetings you've been able to book. Or if you don't have meetings, use the meetings from your white label partner. Maybe reach out to an agency that's been doing this for a while and get permission to use their case studies. For instance, at X27, we allow affiliates, if you guys are in our affiliate program, to sell and book meetings for us, which you can get more info at by reaching out at x27marketing.com. If you don't have case studies, this won't be the most helpful for you, but just know you need case studies, whether it's working for free or doing other things. You need some way to separate you from the millions of other people that are pitching these, or at least thousands of people. So that's case study, and then the call to action. Please let me know and I can send over more details. Simple call to action, no question mark. And right here, they got back, let's talk on Friday, and they just sent a phone number, and that booked the meeting. Easy. So what do we learn from this email? 1, if you're in a competitive niche, you need to separate yourself from the pack via a couple things. In this email, we're doing it via personalization and very strong case studies. If you don't have case studies, you can go harder on the personalization, or you can go harder on the niche by focusing more specifically on a specific group. So for instance, for us, we are just pitching basically everyone in the B2B space on lead generation because we've booked these massive meetings. If you don't have these case studies, then you could pitch more specifically, like let's say you just do B2B lead gen for commercial real estate, or you just do lead generation for any other business, doctors and dentists, maybe you're a local business type of lead generation company. That's the way I would look at it if you don't have the major case studies. If you want this email script, check it out down below. Let me know what you think. Send this email out. Change, of course, the case studies to match your company. And let me know down in the comments, how did it perform and how did it go? Thanks for watching the video. Smash that like button to encourage this type of content, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Alex Berman.